Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mulkura Education System. Singular noun and plural noun. Number noun have two types. Number one is singular noun and number two is plural noun. Singular noun are a noun that refers to only one person, place, thing or idea, or called singular noun. For example, boy, girl, cake. Plural nouns, a noun that refers to more than one person, place, thing or idea, or called plural noun. For example, boys, girls, cakes. Now we can understand better with the help of more singular and plural noun. For example, cake, cakes. Gift, gifts. Cup, cups. Candy, candies are plural noun. Next is dog. The plural of dog is dogs. Next is boy. What is the plural of boy? The plural of boy is boys. Next is bird. What is the plural of bird? Birds. Next is book. What is the plural of book? The plural of book is books. Next is nest. What is the plural of nest? Yes, the plural of nest is nests. Next is cap. What is the plural of cap? The plural of cap is caps. Basket. What is the plural of basket? The plural of basket is baskets. Cat. What is the plural of cat? The plural of cat is cats. Tree. What is the plural of tree? Plural of tree is trees. Hand. What is the plural of hand? Hands. Next is apple. What is the plural of apple? The plural of apple is apples. Next is table. What is the plural of table? The plural of table is tables. Now, next is leaf. What is the plural of leaf? The plural of leaf is leaves. Color. What is the plural of color? The plural of color is colors. What is the plural of, next is umbrella. What is the plural of umbrella? The plural of umbrella is umbrellas.